Current division in parallel circuit. Consider a parallel circuit with two resistors are connected in parallel. Let two resistors are R1, another one is R2, connected across a voltage source of V volts. Let current drawn by the resistor R1 be I1. Let current drawn by the resistance R2 be I2, and the total current drawn by the circuit, let it be a total current, that is IT. In parallel circuit, we know that current, that is total current drawn by the circuit is equal to the sum of the individual currents passing through the elements, that is I1 plus I2. In parallel circuit, current divides. Voltage is same. In parallel circuit, voltage is same, current divides. Here total current is equal to the sum of the individual currents passing through the elements, that is IT is equal to I1 plus I2. Here from this circuit, I1 is equal to, see here voltage is same across the resistor, then I1 is written as V by R1, and similarly I2 is written as V by R2. From this we can write like this: V is equal to I1 R1, and here also V is equal to I2 R1. From that is equal to I2 R. V is equal to I1 R1, that is equal to I2 R. Here from this expression we can write I1 is equal to R2 by R1 into I2. Consider this as expression 1 and this as expression 2. Substitute expression 2 in 1. We get IT is equal to, in place of I1 we have to write R2 by R1 into I2, plus we have I2. Okay, in place of I1 here in this expression 1, we write I1 is equal to R2 by R1 into I2. Here I2, let's take it as common, then we get R2 by R1 plus 1. Simplifying this, I2 into R2 plus R1 by R. This is nothing but I2. From this expression we write I2 is equal to, here IT into R1, so R1 comes here, into R1 divided by R2 plus R1 comes here, R1 plus, this is nothing but current passing through a resistor R2. Now from this expression 1, from expression 1, I1 is equal to IT minus I2. Here what is IT as it is, and I2 is this. Substitute here, what is IT into R1 by R1 plus R2. Here Here IT take it as common, we get I1 is equal to IT of 1 minus R1 by R1 plus R. From this expression, IT take it as common, we get 1 minus R1 by R1 plus R. Now, by simplifying it, we get IT into R1 plus R2 minus R1 by R1 plus R. And this is I1. And I1 is equal to IT into R1 will cancel, R2 by R1 plus. Finally, we get current passing through the resistor R1 is I1, that is equal to IT into, that is total current into other branch resistance, that is R2 by R1 plus R2. In general, if two resistors are connected in parallel, current divides, and current passing through the one resistance is equal to the total current multiplied by other resistance divided by total resistance. See here I2 expression. I2 is the current passing through resistor 2, that is equal to total current into other branch resistance, that is R1 divided by a total resistance. Similarly, I1 is the current passing through resistor R1, that is equal to total current into other branch resistance, that is R2 by total resistance. This is current division in parallel circuit.